All right, so this is what we're doing so far. We got the little roof thing on top of the chicken house ready for the shingles. This is what the aviary will look like. We need to take down the other panel, put it over here, and build a little fence panel like this also. So this is what it looks like right now. This is supposed to be the doorway, and we'll paint this later, but yeah. Okay. There are my healthy birdies still flying. They're like, whatever down. All right, guys. The bird just brought back some kind of grizzle. Looks like a SV bird that we lost back there. I'm gonna try to trap it now. I'll grab this real quick. All right, now let's go try to get a closer look. That might be an SV bird. Come on. It looks like it's got two bands on it. Looks like it has double bands on it. Yeah, this is definitely probably the SV bird back there. It disappeared. Let's see if he knows how to go inside. He doesn't know how to go inside. He's fat and healthy though. He's looks like he's molted or she. Come on, let's go. Let's go, come on. All right, there. Okay, let's go check it out. Where did that grizzle bird go? Didn't it just trap? What in the world? It's in the front now. Let's see. What the heck? Didn't it just trap right now? There's a grizzle looking bird. Oh, right there, right there. Right there. Hey guys, so this is a SV bird. Our bird was loft flying today, and this bird just came back with our flock, and he landed, and I was like, what the heck? At first I was like, is that a grizzle? And then when I saw two bands on here, I was for sure it had to be the SV bird that we lost a while back, where we thought it was a hawk attack or something, but the bird just disappeared. 1052 IF boys. Right here it says Super Pigeons 002, and the bird's all matured now. Bird's all matured now. Okay, so this bird missed out on racing season because he flew to a different loft or something happened, and he just wasn't with us. The condition of this bird: purple meat. Oh, it looks like he might have chicken pox. That looks like a chicken pox. So I'm going to quarantine this bird. Okay, and put this bird on some potassium and treatment. But yeah, that looks like the beginning of a chicken pox. I don't want to infect my flock. But yeah, it's a grizzle. It's the grizzle that was here. Look how it looks like now. It's weird. So therefore, SV, your bird came back from I don't know where. This grizzle came back from I don't know where, but it just came back. And I think I might still have a few birds out, a few young birds out flying, but or might have landed at their loft. But as you can see, this grizzle came back. He might have went to one of the neighboring lofts here, around here, because some people they have pigeon lofts, and they have high flyers and stray barn pigeons as pets and stuff like that they fly around. And these birds might have gone with the flock, and then today This bird just came back. Let me see. There's nothing in the crop. I don't really feel nothing in here. So, well, I'm gonna quarantine this bird for a while because I don't know if he's been with strays or with another loft or what. But that's definitely an SV bird though. All right, so SV, this is your bird. Let me know if you want the bird back. I can ship the bird back to you. All right. So this is what your bird looks like now. It's amazing how these birds disappear out of nowhere and then just reappear like months and months on like later, and they're like very healthy still. So, all right. This bird has chicken pox underneath its belly. There's one sign of a chicken pox. So I'm quarantining this bird now. Wherever this bird was, it contracted chicken pox. So now I have to keep this bird away from my flock for now. All right, so the bundle of wood I bought is this bundle of wood. It's got 48 2x4s. These are all the coals, the ones that don't sell or didn't sell or are damaged here and there, but they're perfect for a pigeon loft. Yeah, some of these aren't the nicest pieces of wood. And they got these ones down here as well. See, they're coals for $80. I was thinking about buying this pack right here, but I didn't need this many of these. These are nice little sticks to do like some other little projects, but and then these ones right here, they're not too bad either. 164 for $82. All right, these ones right here, $182, half price, $91. These are the 4x4s. All right, they're all good wood. Your local Lowe's stores. But I gotta head to Home Depot though. I gotta pick up some things from Home Depot also. So when you ain't got a truck, this is what you gotta do. My truck is out of service, so just a late evening trap training. Loft line. Some of the young birds are going up. Some of them are still lazy. These ones, the ones that are flying kind of sloppy, young birds. Yep, they're all over the place. That's good. They need to get some wing time. Chicken house, we just used an older board. Put a screw up there and a screw down there to help block the wind, and the chickens are able to just walk right in and right out from right here. All right, we were thinking about putting a little fence board up here to block the wind, but this is probably a better idea and more convenient when the wind hits it, because usually the wind will blow from this way, and if the wind hits this, just go right out. Keep the pigeons out of the cold. Okay, temporary chicken coop, we'll paint it later. All right. All right, now this is the extra food dish to hopefully last in 5 days. This is how we're going about this little extra water dispenser. We're using a Pedialyte bottle. All right, now the water is also in place, as you can see. All right.